Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on rndr. In my previous video, I was showing you that after breaking out this rising wedge pattern, rndr was retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and I was telling you that now there is a probability that after this retest, the price line may start the next reversal move from here, and you can see that after a successful retest from here, it has pumped very well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for rndr that I shared on 14th of January 2023, almost 15 or 16 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, an expected harmonic bullish reversal regardless setup that rndr token was completing on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And from this range, from 252 to 0.0000240 Bitcoins, we can expect the next powerful reversal from here. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg here. Then we had a very powerful pump. That is, by the way, so far more than 194% pump. And I'm expecting that this move to the upside can be continued because at the same time, the price line has also geared up after a retest from this resistance of this rising wedge pattern. We broke it out, we retested the previous resistance as support, and now we are geared up. And the target that I was telling you as per this breakout from this rising wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at $1.47 or 48 cents. And so far, the price line has rallied beyond this target. That is up to $1.77. And now our next upcoming resistance is here at $2. And let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart back. And we can see previously back here in January 2022, it has been breaking. This $2 has been breaking as a support. And even almost here, it worked as a support as well in the month of Feb 2022 as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a resistance for the price. And here, by the way, it also worked as a resistance. And the final target for this big breakout from this big down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately from $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. And do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.